Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for June 11, 2020. So if you look at the chart here on the left side, it's an SBY, SB 500 ETF chart. As you can see that yesterday that the market, the last couple of days actually, the market it tried to get into the heavy resistant area, the blue box that I draw for you every day. So we know that yesterday the market they have some trouble. We don't know they go sideways or they try to go down to fill up the gap. But when the market open, they gap down below the gap area here, and then they continue to go lower. So the whole day, this is the first time that we see the market they drop a lot in one day. They put it right back down to 200-day moving average, and then they hold up there at this level of support. So right now, the question here is definitely we see a lot of pressure coming in today. So we get a thumb up for the bear. So the bear have been waiting for this moment to revenge the uptrend. For that's why it is today a good day for them. So they slam it down. So right now the question here is what they're going to do next. Are we going to come down to the bottom like a lot of people say? At this moment, I don't think so. Okay, the market is still hold in the uptrend. It's yet another correction. So right now we stuck into the two level of support here. So if overnight or tomorrow the market will be pushed back up and then roll back down to retest, and then they will turn around and go higher. But definitely, right now the market is a little bit under pressure on the downside. So we have to be a little bit careful to see exactly where they want to go next. And if you look at the smaller time frame on the 60-minute chart, you see that the market make a double top on the June 9 and then come back down. They retested, they fell, and then yesterday they come down a whole night. They come down to this level. So and then they try to jig there, and after the market open, and then they continue to go lower, and then we never see a big giant candle they go down here. So that's what is the market direction. So now the question here is, what are we going to do next, right? So if you are a day trader, you can see that in the morning when the market is open, they are right here, and then they try to jig there, and then they continue to drop. But the key thing here, we don't know how far they can go down, so that's very hard to short. So we only jump quick in and make a quick trade, and then because the trend is still down. So in our live trading room, so we warning everybody that the market is coming down, everything is heading south as long as still below this moving average, the trend is still down. But we don't expect them to go that fast and then to the bottom, and then on the bigger time frame, and they hold there at this level of support. So let's see now if the market is able to hold at the first level of support here, and then continue to go lower, they have to bow back. Okay, so where they're going to bow? So this is the area that they were heading there. If they try to rebound back to 3100 or 38, 3082 to 3110, probably in this area here. Okay, so let's see where the market it go in to do tonight and tomorrow, so we can see where the market is heading to. So this is a very strong downside without look back. So, but they have a support, so we will see. And if you are day trade, you can see that the whole time the market did going down. But the key thing here is that who have the gut to short it, what they already go down the whole night this month, and then kind of a little bit risky to short too. So I only take a very quick trade and stay outside. And so the total net profit for today is $240. So, but I focus on um, a lot of stock, on the airline stock because they are drop like rock, like the market today. They drop like bull in without a pilot. You can see that they just cut through the whole thing and go down very fast. But a lot of airlines they may drop to a support area also. So maybe they will rebound. Let's see. Okay, so let's see all I have for you today. So let's see how the market it try to do tomorrow, and then we can see clearly, okay, how the formation they are building up, so that we can see that in the future they will more to the downside, or this one is just another correction and then rebound to test the high. Okay, so let's wait and see what for the 3100 area here for the rebound first, if they can get there, and then we can see how strong they will be able to get back to that area, or they will continue to go down first before they can go back up. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. And if you like what I'm doing here, okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to learn more about the technical analysis, how to trade, how to do day trade, how to do swing trade, check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Thank you for watching. We see you in the next video.